Okay, that last video is quite long. Apologies, we'll keep this short and sweet. Promise. God, it's so hard with how-to videos. For the VW T4, what we're going to be doing is changing over the windscreen wiper blades. So this one should be short and sweet. Just going to be taking off the old, popping on the new, and it should be as simple as that. So let's get outside, let's get out to the T4, and you'll see the difference it makes at the end. Honestly, the windscreen before was just getting smudged. After, it's a right treat. So it's the little things in life, isn't it? So look, we'll jump outside and we'll start fitting them. Okay, so we're going to change over the windscreen wiper blades. If you can see on these, they are absolutely shagged. That is at least 10 years of sat still doing nothing. So we're going to take these ones off because they just smear everything instead of clean it. Okay, so I went to Halfords and bought these Bosch Super Plus SP2121S. They should do the trick for the T4. Okay, so you just got to follow the instructions. You can see the top one, the thicker middle bit, that is going to go on the left hand side, the driver's side. The thinner one, that's going to go on the passenger side. So driver's side, this one, passenger side. Okay, so we just need to pop them off this sort of hinge point here really. So there you go, you can just slide it off. The same for the passenger side as well. And once you've got both off, we can then start fitting. Okay, so for the driver's side, what you want is a shield bit, if you like, pointing towards the front bonnet. And you're going to turn it upside down. You're going to slot it in. Okay, and then it's good to go. And then let's jump over to the passenger side. It's just a case of reversing the exact same thing that you done the other side. So you just need to fit it in, and then you got to pop this on. There we go. Make sure it's tightly on, and then you can push it down. And there you go. You've got windscreen wiper that works. Easy as that. And you've got both windscreen blades done. Okay, so seeing is believing if they actually work. So let's have a look. Let's turn it on. You can see the state of what the original T used to do. They used to smudge instead of wipe. Let's get the engine on. Here we go. Marvellous. Look at that. 2 new windscreen blades. Okay, so hopefully that video was useful. We're going to be cracking back on with the conversion and getting stuck back in with the next few episodes, so stay tuned.